This morning I woke up after yesterday having lost my house, and it's quite hard. You start to realize, because in the first minute, when it happens, you're in a shock and you kind of deny. You don't really realize what really happened. You only see it physically, but things start to come over at night and etc. Well, I hope Iran would take another step and would stop sending missiles to Israel, and would get to some agreements in Israel and stop threatening. I think it would be good for everybody, for them, for the people of Iran, and for the world.
This morning I'm coming to see what I can collect, pick up from my apartment, which was totally destroyed yesterday by a missile who landed under my window. And luckily I wasn't here. All my memories, all my furniture, all my photos, artworks, I'm an artist, everything is gone. I think there's no aim and no use for this war anymore. So I hope the Iranians will agree to talk, and there'll be finally some kind of a ceasefire between Iran and, of course, between Gaza and Israel.
We came to try to evacuate some traces, equipment left at our flats, which were totally collapsed by the direct hit of the missile yesterday morning. We can do it only with the military people, because it's very dangerous to be there. So that's it. The entire house is gone. But the most important thing is that this bloody war will be ending, and that Iran will stop the nuclear industry and all this bloodshed. That's it.